Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your registration using an Indiana BMV Connect kiosk. So this is very helpful because it can be quick and then easy. So first tap the kiosk screen if it's on a screensaver. Then tap get started and then you can adjust the volume if needed. So for an individual renewal, have the owner's driver's license number, the last four digits of the social security number, and then the zip code where the vehicle or watercraft is registered. You can also type the info in or scan the back of a valid driver's license or ID, then confirm it's correct. Next, pick the vehicle or watercraft that you want to renew. So for off-road vehicles and watercraft, stickers do not print at the kiosk. So you choose whether to mail the registration to the address on file or an alternate address. So for a normal vehicle, you may be asked if you want to change the plate type, but we're not covering that here. So tap continue, choose whether to add a donate life donation, then pay with American Express, Discover, MasterCard, or Visa. And then kiosks at branch locations also accept cash. You can't split payments. And then after it processes, choose if you want to print a receipt, then rate your experience. And then that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.